Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. First thing we're going to start off here is on the daily on Bitcoin. And we talked about this in my video from the other day, that we could potentially come down, break this pattern wick, and then we'd want to break back up into this pattern to get back up in here, guys. And that's exactly what we did. We called this bottom perfect. So if you guys took any kind of trades here, awesome, awesome. Congratulations, guys. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But we started off a couple days ago. I think it was Friday. We talked about this in my video about us wicking down. I think we were on this candle because we were talking about maybe a W pattern happening here. You can see how I even drew it up. But then that failed right here, and we just came down. And then I said, well, while everybody was panicking, I said, we could get down in this level right here, come down here, wick it, and then come back up into this pattern. And that's exactly what we did. I'm glad that, hopefully you guys didn't panic and you watched my video from Friday. I didn't do a video yesterday. I got super busy, and I just didn't do one yesterday. I was looking at the charts and everything, but I had some orders placed, and I'll show you what I mean. Ethereum. Now, guys, I don't know how I missed this with this W. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin real quick because I'm not done. We want to see 33,800 hold up, and we want to get past this area, which was the previous high. First, we want to start making new highs, right? So let's get rid of this. So what would be the first thing we'd look for right here? We want to get past 36,835 to start making a new high, to maybe push back up into this area. And maybe we can get something up to 39 to 40. But it's not looking good, guys. I'll be honest with you. I don't know about Monday and Tuesday. Could be a little bit scary because, the Fed report, I believe, is coming out Wednesday, if I'm correct. So Monday and Tuesday, the markets might not be reacting too well. So this could be dangerous. I also don't like how we got this candle right here. We got this move up, and we've been getting a nice bounce off a lot of things. The only problem is the volume's really not there. I would like to see big volume coming in. Also, on some of these indicators, I don't see it. It's getting close. We're getting close. Let's look at the RSI real quick. Yeah, see, we even fell out. Look. We even fell out of this falling wedge on the RSI. I mean, nothing's really telling me. We are pretty low here, but nothing's really telling me reversal yet until we get a big volume spike, get some more volume, and maybe break these levels and clear and get a daily candle closing out of it. So let's see what happens within the next couple days. I also want to show you guys something here too as well. I added this SD indicator. It's called RSISD. I don't know if you guys are interested in that, but I'm trying it out. I've used it in the past. It's something that just kind of gives you a level on where things are. Um, like we have this level down here. Of course, I could just draw a box right over. But I always do my own TA, guys. Sometimes I like to see what else is going on. I actually forgot I had this on all my charts, but usually I don't. It just gives you a range of what's going on. But I like to find my own ranges, as you can see here. How we called the balance absolutely perfect. You can't get any better TA than this, guys. And we do it all the time on my channel. So make sure you guys sub. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Also, I'm going to take this fixed range indicator. And the way you guys get this, you go over here. You can see something like this, a long position. You can see some in this area. You go to this bottom one, right? And you go to fixed ranged volume profile, and you click on it. Okay? Then we'll take one end to the other end, and it's going to give us the most volume where we can see where the price could hold up. So right now we're at this candle. We're at this candlestick. Well, not a candlestick. It's a volume stick, I should say. And right now, this is a lot of high volume here. So you're going to see a lot of support here, and you're going to see a lot of resistance here. Okay, and we're going to do this on a lot of things, but you could see the resistance here where we got rejected and boom, fell. And once we broke this area, it was kind of ugly, right? Because there was not much here. So we kind of just free fall in this area, and now we're getting a little bit of. We don't want to come down here, of course. We come down here, this could get ugly. That's why if we break, that's why our last line of defense is that 28. It looks like, yeah, that 28, which was the low right here. You can see that's the last really halfway decent candle before it literally drops down to 23 to 25 range. Okay, so I would say maybe 25. But we're back up into this pattern, which is good. Now let's see if we can withstand that. And like I said, stay above this 33 level, 33,800 level that we talked about. And let's see if we can break out of this pattern. Because technically, guys, this is a bullish pattern. Believe it or not, you have more potential to go to the upside than the downside. So it is good that we broke back up in it. Now let's see what happens from here, because we break back down, then it can invalidate it. So what I mean by invalidation, guys, the one thing you do not want to see is it coming down. You see how it came down, we touched our point, then we came back up in it? That's what we want to see. But if we come down and we get a candle closing and then the next candle gets rejected, that's when this can get ugly, okay? But you see how what we did here. We came down, we touched my point. I talked about wicking into this area, which we did. Then we popped it, okay? So we came back in it. So that was good. We didn't get rejected here. If we got rejected here, then it could have got ugly. But this could still happen. So we still got to watch for that. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at some of our indicators here. Okay. So let's see. Exit, bear control zone. Yeah, we need to get past. I have it marked around this $39,000 to $40,000 area. We got to get past here and get back above 41, 42 to really get out of the bear trap here. So hopefully we can come out of this. But let's be careful because, guys, like I said, Monday and Tuesday could be some FUD here. So just be aware of that. Ethereum. Let's see, guys. I know I had different levels. I accidentally erased my chart. I hit this button and I went to remove some indicators. That's why you see some indicators. I went to remove some things and I hit remove drawings instead. So all my drawings disappeared. So, but this is the level. You could see right here the W, guys. Look, we're bouncing off the old W that we had. You can see the W right here, and I'll draw it off. That is acting as support now. Boom, 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 the W. And then the middle is acting as the support. That was a bad middle drawing, but you guys get the point. Okay? So the middle is acting as support. So let's see if this holds up. So let's see if the 23, 28 holds up. If not, then yeah, we could see, let's see, we could see 17 and even $2,000 area, or even a 1967, more like it. Anywhere from 2000 to 1967 would be the first line I would look for if this 23.28 breaks down. Okay, to the upside, I just want to see us get back above a daily candle, back above 26.28, which was the previous high that we had. Well, the last high that we had here, because we didn't break this here. We just came out flat. Like I said, we didn't get the volume. See on this candle, we didn't get the volume spike. Okay, so I look at volume for reversals. Some of the indicators you can see we're still in this little little falling wedge or channel here. Let's see, it exits the critical bear control zone anywhere above 2607 they have on here, and we are in the daily chart, and above 29. Above 29 would look great because that's where I'd really like to see it, above this area right here, above 29.31 and 31.90. Okay, so we can even mark that. That's actually these are good spots. This is why this could be useful, the SDRSI. Boom right there. And of course, we want to break back above this 34, which we can draw up there. Boom. Okay, so that's it for Ethereum. And you can see the volume, guys. You know how to get that now. You understand it. This red line right here is where the most volume comes in. So you'll see a red line coming in off here. I didn't draw that red line That comes with the volume indicator. Like I said, it's called the fixed ranged. It's called the fixed ranged volume profile. Okay, and all you got to do is drag it from one end to the other, and that's how you get it. You could go either way. Matic, guys, we hit our target perfect on Matic. We talked about that 140. Let's see if the 140 holds up. If not, hold on real quick. How much time I have? I got 10 minutes. I got plenty of time. All right, so we had this 140 hold up. We hit the target perfect. I actually drew this little thing right here. I didn't have that this 166, which we did pop to it. I was actually doing my own charting because I took this trade. I also took a SHIB trade because we hit this one perfect right here. So this was a great move, but we'll go to that in a minute. But I took this. This was beautiful. And now we're getting a rejection at around the 161 to 163 area, which I kind of had, which is the 200-day moving average is coming in right there at that point where we got rejected. I would like to see us get a daily candle closing above that 200 again to look bullish. We are kind of getting a bounce off my 155, so let's see if that holds up. If not, 150 and 140, we definitely want to see hold up. Actually, yeah, 139, I guess you could call it. We were 139 and some change, so we're about 50 cents off there. It's not bad. I took it at 140 because that was my target area. And guys, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is all educational purposes only. But we're going to do some real quick. We're going to look at the volume indicators, okay, real fast. Fixed range, we're going to go from one end to the other. Boom, boom, boom. And what do we got? So we have, look at this, guys. Our main support right here. Look at this. And I didn't draw this up. This is right here. You can see it. The red line pops up. This is where our main support is. So you would like to see this area hold up that we talked about, okay? So, yeah, that's something we talked about. Let's see if that holds up. And to the upside, let's get past 170. And then, of course, this 189 would be nice. Cardano, guys, Cardano is so bad that it broke. Look, when I drag my box all the way over, look at all this support right here. I mean, it wicked all that major support. So let's see. I don't want to see it go back down there. If I'm in Cardano, which I'm currently not, but we could say let's hold up this 92 area. Yeah, I would like to see this area hold up more, 99 and the 103, because we got a lot of support there. So I would like to see that hold up to the upside. Let's get past 120 and then maybe get past this 128 area to look for more upside. First thing we have to do is basically clear that 120 and move up from there. We can go to the volume indicator, see what that looks like real quick. Fixed range, boom, boom. And yeah, you can see a lot of support. This is the last line of defense right down here, guys. So yeah, let's push back up above this area. Actually, 138 would be nice because then we can really push up if we can get past above there and maybe get back to this 162 area. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. Let's see, anything special? RSI. Okay, RSI is low, of course. How much time do I have left? 13. Okay, so what do we got here? So it'll come out of see, as long as it's, yeah, I mean, we got to get back above 129. We just talked about that. That's where the midline is, and then gets out of the control zone. It goes into the bull control zone above the 162 area, which we have 163. So anywhere in that range, let's get back above there, and also let's get back above this 50-day moving average, which is coming in at 130. First thing needs to happen, okay, for Cardano. Solana. God, this got so ugly that this got so ugly. I meant to say geez, but this got so ugly that I mean I have 82. You see this range I have, okay? For Solano here, I have this range right here. Based on this area right here, this would be worst case scenario 82 to 66. I mean, I guess they had a last line of defense, which isn't much, guys. There wasn't much here at 88. So I have a feeling this is going to come down and come lower. We're going to do a quick thing here. Boom, boom. Little volume spike. Yeah, it could come into this box. Look at our volume right here. It matches our box. So this would be last line defense for me, for Solano. It's really a shame. Not only see what happened. Look, guys, we broke down, and I thought we could come up here and retest it. We never did. We never got the W. Everything fell apart. Once that happened, it was downhill from there. It's unfortunate. It really is, because it hurts all of us, right? What do we have? We have nothing. We have getting out of this zone, and see what happens in this area, anywhere from 66 to 82. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at there. How much time do I have? 16 minutes. So we're going to move on to SHIB. I did take this SHIB trade, guys, because we nailed it perfect. I had 17 as the target. It hit 17 even. I had a little bit 17 and change. So I ended up taking this trade because I've been waiting for this to come back down after we bought it down here. We were buying it down here, and we made our 1,000% move, and I was giving out free SHIB and doing everything I could when we were down here, telling you guys that this move was going to happen. Then we made our 1,000% move. Then we sold it up here, which we talked about selling up here. And then I said, I'm looking for this area. I've been watching this area for a long time. We finally got it right here. I'm very, very happy about that. But the way the market's looking, who knows? This thing could flip and turn back around. But it was a nice 40% move that we had to the upside, touching the 23.76, which we need to get past there. And then get past this 24 area would be nice. That's what I'm looking for more upside to the downside. Let's see if the 17 holds up. If not, then yeah, we could see this bottom level at 15. Okay, 1540. If the market gets really ugly. But let's see if we get supported at the 17 and also at this 2030 range. I know we're running out of time, so I'm going to do a quick volume spike here. From here to here, boom. Wait, what just happened? It never didn't work. Okay, from here to here. Okay, boom. What do we got? Yeah, we definitely want to clear this zone of 3,000. And then, yeah, we definitely want to see this area hold up. It's going to be hard to clear that. Yeah, so we have everything perfect. 23.76. We have what we want to see hold up. Short term, you want to see this 2,000 area hold up. And that's it for SHIB, guys. How much time do we have? We got a couple minutes. Avalanche, guys. Woo! We got smoked on this, didn't we? I already have the volume indicator up. Now, I did have my fib up, guys. And so I had two fibs. We thought maybe the 618 right here would hold up. That failed. So what happened? We hit my last line of my fib right here, which we got the bounce right off the bottom of my fib. I mean, perfect at 53. Perfect on this last fib. When you see something like this, guys, typically you can make a trade. We are getting rejected off the 618 now, so I'd like to see this 65 get a daily close above there, and also above 67 would look nice. And then maybe scoot past 70. Right now, we definitely want to see the 53 hold up, and we don't want to see this area right here break, which is another fib that we had. You can see the fib over here. See if I can get it right on there. Boom. 58. Let's see if the 58 holds up. If not, then we could test this 53 again. If this falls through, guys, this thing could come all the way back down to 41, which is kind of scary. So keep that in mind. And I think that's it for tonight's video. Yeah, that's it for tonight's video, guys. I'm gonna put the link to Twitter in my link to Twitter in the description. You guys can check out my videos there. Also, I'm also gonna put a link to Webull. You sign up, get some free stocks using my link. It's just free money. That's it, guys, for tonight. Much love. Be safe for tomorrow. I'll do a video tomorrow. I love y'all. Peace out.